Assalamualaikum to Dr. Abang Faisal. I'm Majidi Zamuddin. Today I'm going to present two chart, which is gold spot, Indian rupee and the Euro US dollar. For the first one, I'm going to present the gold spot, Indian rupee. The first one, the candlestick. In the chart, the candlestick show the bullish candlestick. That means the price of gold is increased, and there was significant buying activity during the time. So the second one is for the support and resistance. The resistance is around 60,313 Indian rupee, and the support one is 54,719 Indian rupee. The third one for the trend line. The trend line for the black line in the graph represent the uptrend, while the pink line represent the downtrend in the price of gold. So the price has been increasing since the reaching a high of around. For the fourth one is the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band analysis in the graph show the price of gold is currently overbought. This is because the price currently trending above the Bollinger Band for the orange line, which indicates that it's overvalued at the moment. It could be a good time to buy a gold, as a price is likely to increase in the short term. So for the rate of change (ROC), the ROC analysis in the graph show the price of gold is bearish, and the blue line for ROC is negative 1.23. This indicates that the price is likely to increase in the short term. So for my recommendation, I recommend going to short term at the current price of 59,560 Indian rupee. For the second one is Euro spot US dollar. The first one for the candlestick. The candlestick show the bullish candlestick starting April until May. So the candlestick is relatively small, which indicates that there was significant selling during that day. The second one for support and resistance. The resistance is around $1.10250. And while the support is level is around $1.05113. And the third one is the trend line. The trend line, the both shown in the green line is as well as black line are uptrend, while the pink line show the downtrend respectively. The trend line show the downtrend because this market has been making lower height and lower low because during the day. Downtrend is signal that the demand for the asset is lesser than the supply, and is used to suggest the price is likely to continue heading downward. The fourth one is for Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band analysis in the graph show the price for Euro USD is currently overbought. This is because the price is currently trending above the Bollinger Band for the orange line, which indicates that it's overvalued at the moment. When the price continually touch the upper Bollinger Band, it can indicate an overbought signal. If the price continually touches the low band, it can indicate an oversold signal. This good time to buy Euro USD, as the price is likely to increase in short term. The last one is ROC, rate of change. The graph show that the Euro USD is bearish since May. The ROC line, the blue line, is lower than zero, which is a negative 1.12. So it means that we must sell in the short term. For my recommendation, I would prefer to go long in the short term, as the candlestick on that day show the bearish, and also there is overbought on Bollinger Band.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abang Mama Aiman, and I am a student from class BA24248A. I will be sharing the information about the AUD NZD currency pair and providing my analysis. I have analyzed various technical indicators to assess the market situation. First, candlestick on the graph is bearish, indicating a downward movement in the AUD NZD price. Additionally, I highlighted support and resistance levels, with S4 1.05 being the lowest level of support in the graph, and R5 1.090309 as the most recent resistance level. The trend line shows a growth period followed by a fall, suggesting the prices have been decreasing. After that, the Bollinger Band indicators indicates oversold condition because the current price is trading below the lower Bollinger Band. This suggests that AUD/NZD pairs may be considered oversold according to this indicator. Furthermore, the rate of change has increased to 1, indicating purchasing activities taking place today. The ROC also suggests that the AUD is significantly stronger than NZD. Based on our analysis, I provided a tip to short AUD NZD at the current exchange rate of $1.07997, considering the overall candlestick pattern and the overbought condition. The fourth graph will be regarding Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation stock. The candlestick in the following graph has been bullish since November of last year, as shown in this image. This means that the value of AMD stock increased. The candlestick is also quite large, indicating there was a lot of buying going on throughout the day. The graph support, which is the blue line, and the resistance, red lines reflect the price level at which AMD stock has found support or resistance in recent days. The resistance is about $127, while the support is around $60. The fact that the price has surpassed three resistance levels, R3, R4, and R5, as seen in the graph, shows that the price is on the rise. The trend line, black line, in the graph shows the fall in the price of AMD stock from June to November of last year. However, the price has been growing since November, when it peaked over $127. According to the Bollinger Band analysis in the graph above, the price of AMD stock is currently overbought. This is because the price is currently trading over the Bollinger Band orange line, indicating that it is currently overvalued. This could be excellent moment to buy AMD stock because the price is expected to rise in the near future. The graph rate of change analysis demonstrates that the price of AMD stock has been rising in recent days. This is due to the fact that ROC line blue is at 4. My recommendation is to sell AMD at present share price of $127.03. This is based on advanced micro device stocks currently overbought condition, as well as overall rise in its price. That's all from us. Thank you.